So I'm looking at the stock. It was started at 14.80 was the list price, which was priced at the bottom of the range, I might add. It's now trading at 14.06, down about 5%. I know you can't time the market or market sentiment, but do you feel even at the bottom end of the range, the stock maybe was a little bit priced too high?
Well, what really important to us is whether we can stay focused on our mission, whether we can continuously create value for the industry, for our partner. So if we look back 3 years ago, we have only one business, selling ticket online. But now we have so many of them. So if 3 years ago, I'm telling you we will become the movie distributor leader in China. I'm telling you, we could be the key player in the live event ticket promotion and distribution. If I'm telling you, we will build the best of the data service for the entertainment industry, probably you wouldn't believe it.
So you want to go much more beyond just providing a platform to sell tickets online?
Definitely.
And your revenue doubled from 2017 to 2018. Where do you plan to use those proceeds from this IPO, as well as your plans for building revenue?
Well, first of all, we are kind of the platform company. In platform, I mean three things. First of all, you better have massive user basis. Second,
well, you have Tencent. You're in WeChat Pay. You're in QQ platform as well, right? So that helps.
In WeChat, QQ, and Meituan Dianping. But those are the user base and massive user data structure we have. But it's not enough. We actually continue to broaden our platform. Start with the ticketing service platform into the media platform, promotion distribution platform, and data service platform, and so on and so forth. From the single business of the movie business into the live event, sports, exhibition, TV series, advertisement, e-commerce, so on and so forth. But that's not enough. Think about us. We actually are able to expand our business vertically along the value chain. This is not many companies can do that. We actually start from the movie ticketing business, gradually build the best of the promotion platform, build the best of the distribution team on the ground, be able to empower our partner on the exhibitor, studios, help them to achieve their new goal. This is a phenomenon.
Now, Variety magazine in a recent article was saying we're entering a cold winter for the Chinese movie business and the box office. There's been some regulatory crackdowns on double contracts for artists like Fan Bingbing, and there's other regulatory issues coming down. We know the Chinese economy is slowing, and the consumer perhaps is holding back on their discretionary spending. Are you seeing that?
Well, I'm still optimistic about the overall entertainment industry. First off, look at the Chinese box office. In the past 10 years, we're going up so many times. Last year alone, we talk about the 60 billion RMB, over 60 billion RMB box office. Only second to the US. It's just a matter of time. China box office will become the world #1.
When's that?
Well, we kind of have expectation of the 2020.
Okay, so pretty soon. Now, it's interesting when I did some research on what the services that you provide and the other online ticketing platforms, you allow pre-booking, right? Mm-hmm. We all know in the industry, box office first day, first weekend is critical because there's no other ancillary sales, there's no DVD. So getting that box office number up is very critical. You offer pre-booking, right? So we're hearing that production houses are actually factoring in budgets to buy tickets themselves to inflate the numbers. Is that a problem that you see in the industry, that perhaps it's misrepresenting the actual box office?
I think in the long run, the industry getting better and better, more transparent. People know where they spend the money. They actually now spend the money on improve the quality, improve the promotion efficiency. They actually not really spend the money to create this misleading factors to misleading the audience. Right now, if I look at their industry insider, they look at their Maoyan Pro, they look at their content, they look at their feedback through the test screening, pretty much like Hollywood did. So this is a new circumstance we are facing with, and it's getting better and better every day. And I strongly believe the new generation of the movie industry, entertainment industry, really aiming for a better future.
Let's talk about this IPO, because we know you applied to the Hong Kong Exchange for what is called double dipping. You wanted your key cornerstone investor, Tencent, to be able to buy more shares. It was rejected. Do you feel that the Hong Kong Exchange, even though you chose to list here, is too restrictive as opposed to some of the rules on the NASDAQ or in the NYSE?
First, we would refer to the regulation, and by the time we decide on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, we really would follow the regulation. And the reason we choose Hong Kong over other markets, first of all, it's close to mainland China. It's a great hub, connect to mainland China to the rest of the world. Second, listing in Hong Kong, it enable our partner, our user, to become our investor. Mm-hmm. So this is a major factor for us. Third, we do believe connect to this market, which is create a great atmosphere for the new economy in this stock market.
There's also, of course, a number of different companies, including Xiaomi, which is another one of your newest cornerstone investors. It was the first one to list under the new weighted voting rights system here in Hong Kong. There's been a call as well by some companies. They want super voting rights. They want more than just directors to have these weighted voting rights. They want corporations. Would you like to see, do you think Hong Kong, to attract more of these unicorns and more companies like you in the tech space in China, do they need to become more flexible?
For this specific issue, Maoyan doesn't apply, but definitely I think be able to adapt to the new development in China's new economy, innovation economy. This is the way to go. I really appreciate Hong Kong Stock Exchange be able to embrace the change, really help the industry, help the innovation, help push things forward.
How bad is the slowdown in China? The economy? How is it?
We are a company aiming for a longer run. So we stay focused on ourselves, stay focused, create the value. I mean, we have to go through cycles. I remember, 15 years ago when Tencent went IPO, it's less than $1 billion. But, so many cycles we went through, it's going to be the same thing happen to a company like Maoyan. We keep creating value. We keep empower our partner, keep empower industry, do our own thing, stay focused. That's the thing we need to do.